Welcome back. Derived fields were available in Zoomdata version 2.6 as an administrator-only feature, which means that administrators could define new fields for end users when they were defining their data sources. What's new in Zoomdata version 3.7 is that business users can dynamically create their own derived fields as they work on their dashboards. So that's what we're going to take a look at here. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new field that returns two values, and the purpose of it is to be able to break down the data with another dimension. So these are the contributions broken out by each of the winning candidates, and what we want to do now is further look at it from the perspective of, did the contributions come from within the political district or outside? So the way we're going to do that is we're going to select one of the fields here. It could be any one of them. It's accessible within any of the attribute or metric labels. And I'm going to just click the plus sign. It could be within any of these options here. It doesn't really matter. And this is the new feature, Add Derived Field from within the dashboard view. So I'm going to give it a name. I'm just going to call this source. I'll select the type. It'll be an attribute. Looks like I misspelled that. And these are the existing fields that are available to me from the data source directly. And these are the standard functions that are available from Zoomdata that I can choose from. And the one I'm going to use is this case statement. And I'm just going to paste that in because I have it ready. A quick aside here. In between conditional and logical, you may see custom functions, and this is another new feature in version 3.7. Administrators can define custom functions that represent what the database can do if they don't appear here in the standard list that are available through most of the Zoomdata data sources. So administrators can extend this list with custom functions. So it's really nice. You can use those within derived fields such as this in calculations. Okay, so back to the derived field. I'm going to save that. I'm going to run it to make sure that it's doing exactly what I want it to do, and it is. So I'm going to close that out. And back to my bar chart here, I am going to change the chart from just a simple bar chart to a clustered bar chart. Instead of looking at the absolute values, I want to see the percentages, so I'm going to choose relative values. And now under subgroup, which is available because I'm choosing a clustered bar chart, I can choose that derived field I just created. So you can see here I can edit it and so on, but I want to actually use it, so I'm going to say source. And now we can quickly see the breakdown of contributions for each of the elected officials, whether the money or the contributions came from within the district or outside. So that is derived fields.